Combine reality capture from industry leaders Leica with BricsCAD to compare planned versus actual and get the insight you need to keep projects on track. You can compare 3D point cloud laser scans against the design model at various phases of construction. Point clouds can be cropped to remove portions that aren't relevant and removed from your view to keep your focus on what's needed on the screen. You can isolate the slab or part of the model for analysis, for example, using planar deviation of a floor slab from the point cloud. Tolerances can be changed to reflect construction tolerances, and as they do change, the color heat map updates to show areas which are acceptable, to areas which may have a warning, to areas which are outside of tolerance. You can focus your analysis on specific areas of the design, making sure that you have the visual inspection and automated workflows to keep your project on track.